book is about, the bar, my dad's career here, what it was like for me growing up here, and eventually learning to work a little bit around the place. It's really like, a love letter to the place, to New York City, especially sort of that. That era of New York when I was growing up, or just that feeling of whenever you grow up in New York, whenever you first come to New York, it kind of hardens in your mind as the one that is the most right version of it, even though that's kind of ridiculous. This has got some recent history of the bar, of course, with 163 years of history to work with. It would be kind of crazy to try and do it all, or not crazy, but it would have taken a long time, and you can get lost in that. We've seen people get lost in that. It's really a little more tightly about my dad's career and watching him work over the years, and when I finally sort of got to come in and work a little bit, helping out and filling in shifts with sort of everyone here. It was and for me, it was like a childhood dream come true. So. Yeah.